What's the meaning of bathroom? Bathroom. Bathroom.
Bathroom. Bathroom. A bathroom is a room in a house or other dwelling that is used for personal hygiene activities, such as bathing and toileting. It typically contains a sink or basin, a toilet, and a shower or bathtub. In addition to these essential fixtures, a bathroom may also include other amenities such as a bidet, a jacuzzi tub, or a sauna. Bathrooms are an important part of modern living, providing privacy and convenience for personal grooming and relaxation. They can also add value to a home or property, making them a key consideration for homeowners and real estate investors alike.